students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Practical session, paper chromatography. Student, today now we discuss the paper chromatography. Objects at the end of the laboratory activity. The students should be able to by introduce in the principle and terminology of chromatography and demonstrate separation of the dyes in the color spans and with the paper chromatography. So the introduction is paper chromatography is an analytical chemistry techniques for separate and identifying color mixtures. In paper chromatography, substances are distributed between stationary phase and mobile phase. Students, stationary phase is usually a pieces of a filter paper and mobile phase is the colors that is travel up the stationary phase. So components of a samples with separate readily according to how strongly they absorb on the stationary phase. So how the readily they dissolve in the mobile phase. Student required material 6 beakers of jar, 6 cover of leads, distillated water, isopropanol and cylinders and 6 stumps of filter paper and different color of water and color pens, pencils, rule, scanners and tape. So student, the method and procedures. Prepare 15 ml of isopropyl solution in labeled beakers 0%, 5%, 10% and 20% and 50% and 100%. So cut it is 6 strips of filter paper and draw a line 1 centimeter above the bottoms and end of the splits with a pencils. And next are the label each strips with its corresponding solutions and place spots which form each pen on your starting lines. Students, method and procedures. Place the strips in each beakers, covered the beakers. Let the splits absorb the solution about 2 cm from the top of the splits. Remove splits, let them dry and observe the color. Separate is low and concentrations of the isopropyl and high concentration of the propanols and recorded data. So students, explain the chromatography jars and represent its solvent and remove in a solute and solvent are mobile phase and liquid stationary phase are solvent form in a paper liquid. So distillation water and 5% alcohols represent in examples. In dyes mixers are different type dye mixers are distillation water and 5% alcohols. Students, next example 10% alcohol and 20%, 10% alcohol and 20% alcohol. Next 50% alcohol and 100% alcohol, different dyes mixers in separation of paper chromatography. So color use of the styling lines. First is blank, second is red, third is green, 4 is blue, 5 is purple, 6 is pink. So the conclusion, chromatography has a mass use. It is the commonly used in the laboratories to the isolated new component and analyze to difference between the different environmental samples and even the sequence of DNA. So the conclusion to the platform the chromatography, one is needed to thinking a mixtures and the colors indicators a mixtures is the samples the materials to which the samples is applied to the materials and obtain the actions and filter papers and after to the rate of the flow of a sample. So the special bands with a different and size and the commonly used and separate protein and in the biochemistry labs. So conclusion, the mixtures may be interacted with the samples and depending on the chemicals properties on both are commonly used to analyze mixtures of sugars. So students, the color indicators may be component itself. Some organic compounds are bright yellow, orange, which make this easy on identify, and the chromatograms and other needed to react to another chemical, so becomes colors. So dyes is specific the particular chemical substance. Its properties can be used to the identify samples. For examples are the rhodamine dyes can be applied the visualize fats and oils. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये होता है अपने पास क्रोमेटोग्राफी एंड इट्स टेक्निक्स, डिफरेंट टाइप मिक्सर्स सेपरेशन. ओके, थैंक यू.